Hi mga Beshi Cakes! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, my name is Jel at nandito naman tayo ngayon para sa isang bagong video. Okay guys, so syempre, hindi naman parang everyday you feel like putting on some makeup, 'di ba? So, ang gagawin natin for today is yung simple look lang. So, ito ang gandang pulbo at lip tint 2020. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. Kasi today, it's kind of like a lazy day for me. So, I really don't feel like moving. Pero syempre, you still want to look good, diba? So, that's why we are doing this video now. So, if you want to know more about this video, please keep on watching. So, for our moisturizer, what I'm going to use is this product that I've been loving for the past few weeks now. This is Bare Face from Bench. So, maglagay tayo ng foundation sa ating face. So what I'm going to put is just this concealer from the Faceshop. So lalagay lang natin siya dun sa mga places na kailangan ng concealing. So in my case, dito lang siya sa ilalim ng aking eye. ng nose contour. So, wala na tayong iba ipo-contour sa ating face kundi ang nose lang natin. So, ang gagamitin ko is this Pink Sugar Honey I'm Good in the shade Sassy Brown. So, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit for my nose.
So, ganyan yung gagawin natin. Lagyan natin siya sa edge ng ating nose. Ganyan. So, kalat-kalat ang natin siyang ganyan because contour is light. Yan lang. Hindi tayo gumamit ng product, ng tool yan lang. So, malaking bagay siya guys kung nagpo-contour ako ng nose. Nakadagdag cuteness. Char!
So, for the lip and cheek tint, what we're going to use is this Lovely Cosmetics Liptint. So, ito siya. They have 5 shades. So, I will insert a clip na papakita ko sa inyo yung close up ng mga products na ito. So, ito yung dalawang shade. Ito yung Chrisha and Arllah. And then we have here Meryl, Ara, and Arllah. So let's use Chrisha on our cheeks. Blush. Then for our lips, we will use the shade Arllah. So guys, eto na ang ating gandang pulbo at lip tint only.
Wow.
So we featured Lovely Cosmetics for the lip and cheek tint. So now I will show you the swatches and also I'll give you my thoughts about the product. This shade is Arllah. This is Arllah. This is Marielle. This one is Ella. Last but definitely not the least is Chrisha. Yan, what I can say is cute yung packaging nila. So pink siya. And then nakasulat dito is Lovely. And then yung shade here. And makikita mo yung shade din dito pag tinignan mo siya dun sa kabilang side. Which is good. At least nagkakaroon ka ng idea kung ano yung color ng product na bibilin mo. Look. And then about the smell of the product. Sweet. Just like candy. So, mabango siya. Hindi nakakahilo yung amoy niya. Mabango, very sweet. And then, about the pigmentation of the product, very pigmented siya. Which is good. 'Di ba? Yun naman lagi ang hinahanap natin sa mga lip tint, lip and cheek tints. And then, you will also see here pala in front kung ilang ml siya. So, this is 5 ml worth of product. And then, in terms dun sa kanyang pag-apply sa aking face. So, nung in-apply ko siya sa face ko, ang napansin ko lang, medyo madali siyang mag-settle. So, kung ang gagawin mo para makontrol mo siya is, ilagay mo yung product sa daliri mo and then kailangan mo siyang i-blend ng mabilis. Kasi kung hindi mo siya i-blend ng mabilis, so magmumukha kang clown. Magkakaroon ka ng mga spots dito. Makikita mo yung mark kung saan mo inilagay yung product. So, yun yung, I think, hindi naman siya downside kasi hindi lang naman ito yung lip and cheek tint na na-experience ko na ganun, yung madaling nagsisettle sa face pag in-apply mo. So, nasa technique mo na lang siguro on how you will apply it on your face. Pero pagdating sa lips, wala tayong problema doon. Madali siyang i-glide, very pigmented. So, as you can see kanina, parang twice ko siya inilagay sa aking lips. Dito lang naman sa upper part ng aking lips. Pero dito sa baba, isang beses ko lang siya nilagay and then glinide ko na lang siya using my fingers. This retails for 130 pesos, which is I think is reasonable considering yung ibang mga lip and cheek tint na na-feature ko dito sa aking channel. So, hindi siya nalalayo sa mga presyohan ng mga lip tint. And then when it comes to its staying power or longevity niya, I think siya ay long wearing. Kasi tignan nyo, yung mga sinwatch ko kanina, binura ko na siya using my Biore makeup remover for eye and lip. So, medyo may oil to, as you can see. Tignan niyo yung consistency. Pero hindi niya siya kaagad natanggal. Look. So, ayan. Medyo namumula-mulan na yung hands ko, yung arm ko. Kasi tinatry ko nga siyang tanggalin kaagad. Nakadalawang lagay ako nung Biore, pero hindi pa rin siya natanggal. So, I think that's a good thing, right? So, hindi mo siya kailangan i-retouch. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa part ng aking channel kung saan tayo ay magsha-shoutout. So, shoutout sa aking sister-in-law na si Joanna. Happy birthday sa'yo! And more birthdays to come and stay pretty! And we've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys! If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends, to your family members, at sa lahat-lahat na pwede nyo pag-sharean ng aking video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. But if you love this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!